The RadSync application is used to import and export data to and from the RadScout tablet. To begin the importing process, you will want to locate the provided ERG removable drive. If you are using a different removable drive other than what was provided, you must complete one additional step. On your computer, open File Explorer and navigate inside the removable drive. You must create a folder titled RadScout. The creation of the RadScout folder is essential to the file transfer process. The ERG removable drive is preferable as it already has the RadScout folder on it. To import data to your RadScout tablet, simply place the desired data from your computer into the folder titled RadScout, located inside the removable drive. After ejecting the removable drive from your computer, you will insert it into the bottom of the tablet. Open the RadSync application on the tablet home screen. Inside of the RadSync application, you will see Import. The file or files located here will be imported to the RadScout tablet. Now select Synchronize. Once the synchronization is complete, the tablet will automatically eject the removable drive and the data will become available in the RadScout application. To export data gathered in the field, the RadScout application must be closed using the File drop-down menu. This process was covered in a previous video. Insert a removable drive into the bottom of the tablet. Open the RadSync application. Inside of the RadSync application, you will see Export near the top of the screen. The file or files located here will be exported to the removable drive. Now, select Synchronize. The data will be placed into the folder titled RadScout on the removable drive. If there is not already a folder titled RadScout on the removable drive, the application will automatically create one. Once the synchronization is complete, the removable drive will be automatically ejected and the data is now ready to be viewed on your computer in the RadSync application. Please check out our other RadScout instructional videos on the ERG webpage. Any feedback or suggestions for additional RadScout videos is appreciated and can be sent to radscout@ergoffice.com.